people. Welcome to Holistic Talks with yet another super excited guest who is here to share with all her wisdom and experiences with holistic transformation journey. So please put your hands together to welcome Malini. But Malini, thank you so much for being here and taking, take time out from your busy schedule of working, managing house and family, and being here for us to share your wisdom. Welcome, Malini.
Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank Universe first for giving me this chance to connect with you. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Universe. Thank you so much, Rashmi.
Wonderful, wonderful, Malini. So, would you introduce yourself for our viewers, who get to know you better as well? Yeah, please.
Sure. Hello, everyone. I'm Malini from Bangalore. I'm working. I'm living with my husband and my in-laws. So I'm working in Juniper Networks, and how I came to know about Rashmi is that through a chanting group where we chant for everyone, for the welfare of everyone. That's how I got connected with Rashmi. And Rashmi told that she is planning for a holistic fit you. And one of my goal for the new year was to get myself holistically fit. So that's how I got connected to her, and I'm a working professional.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. Introduction, Malini. So, like now, you are a working professional and you have a family, joint family, which we could call as. So, to manage, especially this COVID has blessed us, more time to spend with our family. And see,
True.
many people feel it is a burden. Yes, managing 9 to 5 job and running a family, and especially for you, you are working for an US client where time schedule is so erratic. And how are you able to manage all that? And on top of that, you're being part of a holistic program that we are doing, which is online, I understand. But then again, how is your experience being all that, and how this more spending time with your family and being part of this program has helped you? Yeah, please.
Sure. So the main thing I understood, like, if you want to balance everything in your life, first we need to balance ourselves. And that's where I got connected to Rashmi. Unless we sort ourselves, unless we are energetic, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, then it is not possible to handle anything, maybe office or at home or anything. So that's the reason I got connected to Rashmi. So with her help and her suggestion and her inputs, I'm able to balance myself overall and see, like everyone tells, health is wealth. If we have health, then we have everything. So that's the reason I'm able to manage.
Wonderful. So yes, as awesomely put it across, yes, it is a balance between health, body, mind, and emotions and the spirituality. Yes, so having attained that balance within ourselves gives us more energy and freedom to manage everything else. Otherwise, even though everything around us is so beautifully placed, we fail to even take a note of it. It doesn't mean that it is
Yeah,
not there. Yeah. So yes.
absolutely.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful, Malini. Wonderful, for that, gold nugget from your mouth, which gives a huge wisdom to people who are here. So, like now you said, yes, you have to balance your life and yourself first. Yeah. So, having said that, how this has helped you to perform better in every area of your life? Yeah.
What we had known things, bits and pieces, means it is like scattered. We don't know clear cut way. But through after joining your program, I understood why we need to do the way we need to do and how it is going to benefit us and how to do it basically. We all know things, but to do things is a challenge, right? So how, what is the correct way of doing it? That actually helped me. I knew it before also that you should not eat emotional eating or not lot of packed things. Everything is known. But after joining the program, I'm able to really understand and not that craving coming up so that I end up eating. So that is the biggest what do you say, happiness and joy for me, that I'm really doing it not for the sake of anybody. For me, I'm doing it and I'm able to sustain it.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful, Malini. Yes, I still remember the, first 21-day program where you were part of, and you were saying, see, my whole house is staked up with, this many. I'm sure I remember you sharing the picture of that also. See, how do I control myself? Yeah,
Yes,
so I'm
it
sure
has.
each one of us have gone through the same challenge. So how you were able to overcome that through this? I'm sure
Main
people
thing is,
don't believe, what you're saying in one word.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because day in, day out, our house is filled with biscuits, chips, groundnuts, all these things. But the thing is, it is like you have told in your workshop, it's like mainly mindset, right? So you help us set that mindset. Why are we eating it? What is the need for eating it? And also, it is fine if we are eating it when we choose to eat it. That's the biggest relief, right? That's what we got it. Through that, I think I'm able to manage it. If I really want to eat it without guilt, you can enjoy and eat. And you don't get, and the craving doesn't grow up, right? Like you want to eat more, 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 and the guilt is also not there. So you're balanced with there.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm so happy and glad that I can see that happiness on your face when you're sharing that. Yeah, I can enjoy it when I want to enjoy it, because see, no words can put across the joy to anybody else, right? What you feel from within. So which is
Yeah.
where we constantly stop ourselves thinking that diet is something that we should starve ourselves from eating, or
Mm.
we should never eat it, because see, in our program we focus on sustainable diet. It's not something that you do it for 21 days, or you do it for number of
Very
weeks
true.
or
Yeah.
months, and it is not something sustainable. See, because you're constantly living a life. You're not going to jail yourself because you want to remain fit. So that is the whole concept of this program, where you follow something which is sustainable for lifetime. Yeah. So how
Yeah.
did that really help you in following the process for lifetime? See, because now you have started the journey and you're just halfway through the program. So
Yeah.
do you really feel stressed that, yeah, I have to do this, or part of it because I have already many hats that I'm wearing, a daughter-in-law or a wife, or a working professional who doesn't have a time limit, or a fixed schedule where you can say, yeah, I'm away from work, or I'm done with my work. So with all that, how you're able to manage your healthy lifestyle, because that's the whole focus on this transformation program that we are doing.
Yeah.
So how are you
Actually,
able
the
to?
thing, yeah, the main thing is like you don't put pressure, Rashmi. You
Mm-hmm,
tell us why we have to do the way we have to do. The deep reason
mm-hmm,
it is for us,
mm-hmm.
right? Overall for us, and we have the power. That's what you tell us. We have the power to choose, act, and whatever to make our life better, right? So this clarity is given, and basically, what I do is I will check what is that I really want to do it at this moment. It's not that for somebody or anything like that, because my husband tells you need to reduce weight, or it's not like that, or somebody else has lost so many kgs in so many days, I have to lose. Not like that. If I feel like doing, I'm doing it. So I'm taking that slow pace, because best thing what I loved about this program is that the mindset part, how we are working. So I can see that mindset is happening within me. So it's for lifetime. It's not just for 1 month, 21 days, or for 6 months. So I can see that I'm preparing for my lifetime journey. So that is how I'm able to sustain whatever I'm doing it. I can't tell that I don't drift away, but I can bounce back because of that environment ecosystem, and you are there to encourage, support, and guide, right? So that is how I'm able to sustain, even though there are places like we go back, we come back, multiple reasons like office work and housework, all those things.
Yeah, I
That's how
completely
this program is
understand.
helping me. Yeah.
Sorry, I missed that. Yeah.
That's how this program is helping me big time.
Yeah, so I completely understand when you say that, we drift away. Yes, because, see, we have not attained that mental stability, or, that strong will at the mindset level, so that, yes, because when we are learning, see, the simple example that I want to give is, when we start walking, when children start walking, they walk for few steps, they fall. So if they think, okay, I'm falling, so I'm no longer going to walk, or if the parents stop them from, walking because they are going to fall, how is the child supposed to learn, or how are you expecting the child to even walk and then
Yeah,
progress to running? So yes, see, it is, yes, we take that as a simple example, and we acknowledge it when it comes to a child. But when the same thing happens to us, we are not willing to accept that I can fail.
yeah, very true.
Yeah.
Yes,
So yes, so when you are working at the mindset level, it is so important that you have to acknowledge your failures also as part of your life. Yeah.
absolutely.
So
Yeah,
yes, so once you are, willing to accept your failures as you accept your success, so
very true.
that's when there's no way anybody can stop you, not even you, from succeeding yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Malini, we all drift away. It is not because, it is not that, okay, you are going to eat healthy for one day. Yes, you have committed to eat healthy for lifetime, but there are always ups and downs in life. And we are not living in a sterile environment where everything goes in a straight line. Because even your heartbeat shows a straight line, you are dead. So how can we expect something, so obvious for us in the universe? But we expect, no, that shouldn't happen to me because I am different. No. Is it ever going to be possible? No, I think, see, that
no.
is where the, realization has to come for each one of us within us, so that, yes, so the day I see success, there's also going to be a day where I fail.
Yeah, yeah.
So yes.
That's exactly what I learned in the program also. Like first 2 months where we were very consistent and doing, and later part where I was not able to be consistent in few activities. That's when I learned it, and that's what you guys helped me to understand it better and accept myself. Like it's fine, it's fine. You will be drifting away. The important thing is being back in action. That's the important thing.
Wonderful. See, the way you bounce back after, all that challenges you faced, I'm so proud that, that itself decides how determined you are about your success.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Rashmi.
So without that, I think, none of us have success. Because if you're
Yeah.
not waking up from your failures, then obviously nobody can succeed.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
So there are many people who start with enthusiasm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Only, I'm sure only achievers finish it with enthusiasm. So I'm sure I've been, repeating this many times in our programs and, our workshops and webinars. So that is where, we all have to take our wisdom and, move ahead. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Malini. And I'm so proud of you that you have been able to bounce back and, be here and join back to your buddies who are constantly there to support you and, welcome you and handhold you and, push you to do, reach your goal, because that's how
thank
we
you.
work
Very
and
true.
bond together as well. See, it is like more like an extended family for us. It's not, we never, feel that, yeah, we are any different. So
Yeah, it's been a part of 2.5 months, but I feel that we have been connected for years. So that's how, because even I got to know only through this program, but I see that bonding happening. So glad for that. Thank you so much.
yeah, I understand. See, to viewer surprise, we have never met each of our, partners.
Yes.
And I don't know, like, we are just waiting for this lockdown to release so we can interact and personally meet each one of us. and
Absolutely.
get to know each other. Yeah, so I think distance is just a you know word now, because we are all connected and we are all interrelated, and we are all here to support and hold each other, so that each one of us can be successful by the end of the program. Yes. So how does this family and work and your program, so I'm sure a lot of things, a lot of caps that you are wearing. So
Mm-hmm.
how you literally were able to manage it, because many people come up with an excuse saying, no, I'm a working professional and I have a family to run, or I have a I have to cook 3 meals a day. I'm sure you're doing all this. Yeah. So how, what is your advice for those people, you know uh,
The only one key lesson, right? Like anything we have to do it, we need to focus on the main ingredient, right? If I am healthy, fit, fine, then only everything else can be sorted. So whether we are doing anything else or not, we need to take care of ourselves first. So we really need to take this time. If we take this time for ourselves, like in a day, like 1 hour, then rest 23 hours we can dedicate it to others, right? So that's the best thing we can do, or a best gift we can give it to ourselves. So we really need to take this time out to do and achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. So we have to, there is no other choice.
So, okay, wonderful, wonderful, piece of wisdom for those people, who keep saying, no, I have no time because my priority is that, my priority is this. So, yes, see, if you are able to give that 1 hour of time for yourself, then rest of the 23 hours is still left for you to dedicate. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful, Malini. Why at all you felt you need a fitness program in the first place? Because it is a lockdown and you are not allowed to go out, and you have so many things to manage, and so many things to crib about, literally. Yeah.
Yeah.
So why at all you felt, yes, you need to go through the journey in the first place?
Main thing is, when I started managing house,
Mhm.
before marriage is a different story, because parents are there, they'll take care, and you just have to go study, or you just have to work, and that's the thing. But after marriage, the story completely different, right? You need to manage house, you need to manage office, you need to manage yourself, everything, right? So what I was feeling is, I was feeling it very challenging, and I could sense that my energy levels are really, really low, and I am not able to time manage or energy manage anything. So I could feel very tired, and I was not having any interest to do it. That's when I realized, okay, first thing is I need to be energetic, I need to be healthy, I need to exercise, eat right. So if those things are sorted, then only I can move around fast. I will have that energy, enthusiasm, right? And at the same time, I should be happy inside. If I am not doing anything for me, I cannot be happy. So doing exercise or doing the things I love to do for myself is what gives me the energy. So that's how I ended up. I ended up understanding that you really need to be happy and healthy. Then only everything else will fall into the place.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, how did that realization was there through the program, or you got to know that before and you wanted to be part of the program? So, how was it?
I had got to know it before only, and I
Mhm.
was looking for a program where I can actually do it, because I have experience right past, like there is no ecosystem, there is no group community. You don't do it. You do one day, you leave the, okay, max you will do 10 days and you will stop doing it. But if there is a group, if there is a coach, somebody to tell what is right, what is wrong, so we are constantly in that environment, right? And you don't get yourself lost. So that is the reason I was looking it, and at the right time I reached out to you and you came up with this program. That's how we got connected, Rashmi. So
Wonderful.
that's when, even when you told that you're starting a program for 21 days, I just came with an open mindset. I didn't expect anything, and I was just looking like what is there in store for us, what I can take it from this. That's how I joined. But once I joined 21 days, and once I joined Holistic Transformed You, oh my god, Oh God, I didn't know like this much is there. It's not about just exercise, eating. It's so much. You add so much value to the life. Thank you so much, Rashmi, for coming up with this program, and everyone is going to benefit immensely out of it.
Yeah, wonderful. I'm so glad that you got so much value from this program, and so much experience. Yeah. So
That too,
like,
it's like halfway, and I'm super excited to know what is the remaining half program will be like. Really, it's not like such a deep work. Deep work we'll be doing on ourselves. That's the best part.
yeah, and I understand. People feel fitness is only about skin deep. Yeah, but when I say holistic, every other person is talking about it, so people are really confused what exact holistic word itself
Yeah,
means.
very
So
true. Yeah.
yeah, I understand. So yes, it is not about just what you eat and what you do. It is much more deeper at the mindset level. So that is where we constantly work as a team. And yes, Malini beautifully said, yes, having that kind of a environment has helped her to go through this practices on a daily basis. So what is that power of association that you are benefited from, and how is this power of association has really helped you, Malini, in your transformation journey?
Okay, well, coming to share my power of association, when we joined the first batch of Holistic Fit You, we had seen Bindu and few others doing it and sincerely following everything like whatever is being shared in the program. And they really saw the change and they were able to share that experience with us, right? That's when we like get started. Wow, this is really working. We should really do it. So that's how I got inspired. And with the Transformed You program, we are literally seeing the transformation happening in each of us, right? So that gives us a every one person happens, the ripple effect is seen in rest of us, right? We get started. So that's how it is actually helping us to move ahead. And at the same time, like we are able to understand each other's challenges and how they are able to deal with it and come out of it, right? That's a great insight for us also. Like, okay, this can be handled in this way also. So that gives us a clarity there.
Yeah.
So this program helped us get going.
Wonderful. Yes. See, there is always ups and downs in our life, and when one person is going through their lows, the other person is at their highs, so that they can literally drag the other person back to the same level, and there's a good balance and ecosystem, so that each one of you would be at par to other person. Yeah. So that is
Yeah.
where this community has and tribe has really uh, been pushing each one of you to get, and you are really surprised by the end of the day, am I really capable of this? Because I have never
Yeah.
expected.
Yeah, true, true. Especially the every month challenges you are posing and people are doing and we are doing few things like getting up when you asked us to get up at 4 a.m. every first challenge, right? That was
Mhm.
like when we did it for a whole month, it was surprising for us also. Yes, it is doable and it is so beneficial to get up at that time.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Malini. So every month we have new challenge coming up, so that we keep people pushing their own limits. It's not about somebody else coming and doing it for you, or you doing it for somebody else. You push your own limits. So how have you really seen a better version of yourself, Malini, in the past 3.5 months that you are through the program? And what is that better version of you? Would you like to share with our viewers?
Sure, sure, Rashmi. Yes, I would say definitely. Because before joining the program, one of my limiting belief is that I am a very foodie. I can't control eating. Losing weight is not my cup of tea. And oh, let me be the way. I mean, reaching the goal of 60, 55 kgs is just impossible for me. So these things were there in my head, but after joining the program in the 3 months where I lost 5 kgs, not by completely starving or intense exercise, not just by that, just by the mindset and being conscious of what we are doing, what we are eating, how are we eating, all these simple things. By doing this, if I can see so much change, if I do it consistently for a long period of time, so this gave me a super confidence that it is doable, it is achievable. That is the better, I mean, I could say that is what I felt, a better version of me, where I have transformed my limiting belief to a positive thing through affirmations, through actions. So that is helping. That's what I can see, Rashmi.
Yeah, wonderful. I'm so happy that you are seeing a better version of yourself, and you have transformed not only yourself but your beliefs. See, that is where we constantly work at the mindset level, so that even though you are no longer part of the program, all your learnings from the program are there for your lifetime. So what is your
Yeah.
thought about that, Malini?
Yeah, because these are like simple thing, the way we look at things. And it is not like you will be telling us to do something very hectic, very impossible thing or tiresome thing, not like that. Simple thing which we are doing everyday life, right? Which we can implement. So there is, once you are in a practice for 6 months, there is no way that you get out of the habit, right? So that is the whole point. In 6 months we would have changed holistically with our habits. So we would have got used to the habits. So we will definitely continue it for lifetime.
Yeah, I'm sure, see, as you beautifully said in the beginning of our conversation, that you knew many things. Yeah. So how that knowing was really helping you then, and how knowing something else is really helping you now in doing. So what is the difference really? Can you discuss this with our viewers? Because there's a huge confusion between knowing and doing, which I keep sharing in our sessions. So how that really has helped you, or is it added any value at all to you?
Yeah, the thing is, if for example we know that we need to drink water every day, right? It is known from for a long time, but are we drinking it? Are we, at that time was a big question. But now, yes, we are drinking water, and we, why we are drinking, we know it. How we should drink, that also we know. What is the actual benefit of drinking water? We know that we should drink water, but we didn't know the deep reason why we need to drink water, how it is going to benefit us. So when you told us that, that has gone into us like very deep, right? We really know how it is going to benefit us. So that's how, that pushes us to drink water. So it's not for array we should drink, doctor has told we should drink this much, 3 liters water, 5 liters water. It's not like that. Now we are drinking for us, for our body. We really know the value of drinking water. So we don't need a push from anybody else, and we will drink water. So that's how knowing was there, but now we are drinking, we are doing, I mean, whatever we need to do at that point of time. So that's the shift which happened through this program.
So you mean to say that mindset shift, because of knowing deeper reasons and deeper understanding of whatever you knew, because knowing is just very superficial, and we believe, yeah, knowing is equal to doing, but there's a huge bridge that has to be built from knowing to doing. So does that mean that it is work at the mindset level, or is it something just because you're practicing it?
See, first thing is mindset level, you're going to give us with the correct data points and the reasons, right? Then once we know, we will be doing it, and it becomes part of doing habit, right? So you don't have to go back and think of a reason every day why you need to drink so much water. It's already there in the mind. So first is mindset, then it's part of habit.
Yeah.
That's what I feel.
Yes, yes, wonderful. Yes, Malini. What is that has really transformed in you? You know, yes. See, other than drinking water, eating, and a healthy lifestyle, yeah. What other transformation have you noticed in you, if at all anything, in the past 3.5 months that you have been with us?
Main thing is, Rashmi, you have told us uh, to identify our life purpose. how to identify our life purpose, how to be happy, how to love ourselves, how to take care of ourselves and family. So you have helped us to teach how to balance everything in life, at the same time achieve things which we want to achieve in our life. So that is the best thing I learned in this program from you. Apart from eating, drinking, walking, I mean, that is required, but this is like something deeper. That's what I told. This Transformed You is a deeper program which will transform us from inside, where we might not realize it. After treading that journey, we'll know, okay, this transformation has happened.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I'm so glad that this transformation has happened to you just halfway through the program. Yeah. So, is this transformation visible only to you, or people around you are also noticing it? Or yeah, that's a.
This is like what is inside happening. Maybe I'm not sure whether they are noticing or not, but
Mhm.
I can see with my husband, he can see that change. And coming to a lifestyle change, it is quite visible to everybody. So that thing is noticed, and there is a inch loss, weight loss. People are noticing that that is there. But whatever is happening in mind, I'm not sure they are able to notice or not.
Yeah. So how your lifestyle change has impacted your family members? See, because we constantly have this challenge that I want my family to be healthy. Yeah, and I
Yeah.
want my husband to wake up and go for a walk and keep his health. I keep his health and fitness in the right direction. What I am doing is irrelevant. So how was your life before this, and how is there any shift in your life from then to now, and how family members are treating your words now?
Yeah, there is a shift because when before joining the program, when I say no, also
Hmm.
for example, eating junk, I would say no, but I used to end up eating later part of the time. So what the view was like, now she'll tell no, later she'll end up eating. So that was the view. But once I joined program, I used to tell like I'm not going to eat at all. Before joining the program, I used to tell I'm not going to eat at all, and I used to end up eating. But what happened after joining the program, I used to tell them that I'm not eating, but they used to tease. So I used to tell, okay, I'm not eating for now. So that's how I'm able to what control my cravings if there was at initial stage. But later on, once I started telling them that I'm not eating junk, or I'm going to walk for this much time, or I'm going to sleep this early, or I'm going to get up this time, once they started seeing me doing regularly, that's when they started believing that I'm very serious about my health and all these lifestyle changes. That's when they started believing, and they stopped asking things like, do you want to eat this junk, or so all these things. And the other part is that's when we started becoming regular with respect to walking. Even my husband and my mother-in-law, so everyone started walking. That is a big addition. But a lot more changes needs to be done, but I'm not working on them because I wanted to work on myself, so I'm not pushing so many things to them.
Yeah, and I understand that. I understand. See, because if you try to push them, it is not going to anyway work. I'm sure you have that experience from your, you know, old experiences. So now that
Yes.
I'm so glad that you have started working on yourself, where you are happy and enjoying the journey for yourself. Yeah. So yes, having said that, is there any, uh, you know, what do you say? Is there any way you feel different from before? You know, uh, like okay, the way you introspect life, or the way you are. See, the most important thing that I keep telling is spend time with yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
So, did that really happen with you? And what is the outcome of that spending time with yourself? And when did you see? Because in between so many caps, when you found time to spend with yourself, that's a big question. Yeah.
Yeah. Like we were telling, na, getting up early will give us that extra cushion of spending time with ourselves. you can, it's not like morning only you need to spend time. At least when we realize that I need time for myself, I need a break, I really need to speak out, or I really need to understand what I'm doing, that's when I give time for myself. So it's not like this particular because like I have told, there are multiple challenges. Sometimes office demands more work till late night, so you won't be able to get up at that time. That's fine. The main thing is acceptance and forgiving ourselves, and okay, at this point of time in my life, this is the best I can do it. That will give us that cushion, which Rashmi taught us, like it's okay to accept ourselves and love ourselves. So this program helped there also. So it's like you need to decide for yourself when you want to give time. It's not like early morning. Initially, when the start of the program, first 2 months, I was able to get up at 4 o'clock. Yeah, I had the luxury with the office or housework. But now it's a challenging, it's fine, completely fine. And I don't see a pressure from Rashmi, like, why are you not getting up? No, because you are understanding it, right? What is the situation? So you are at the same time supporting and welcoming me wherever possible, and still you are appreciating me that I am bouncing back. So that really gives us a push again, right? So we are not left out, we are in the game, and I can do it. It's a journey for lifetime. It's not just for 6 months, or it's not just a competition. We are living it, our life for ourselves, right? So that clarity is again got from the program.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, Malini. See, the way you're putting it across is so simple and, so easy for everybody, right? It's just a matter of, making the choice for yourself. See, we are all always given choices, but we have no control on the decision after, result once we have
Yeah,
made a choice. But,
yeah.
we constantly focus on working at the results rather than choosing it smartly. So how did that made a difference in your life?
Yeah, actually, the thing is, first of all, choosing to join this program was one of the thing, right? If we want to be healthy, fit, then we need to choose things which will help us to be there. Either the program, either the food, either the activity, or the people with whom we surround. So all these things matters. Above that, we really need to get ourselves a very strong reason, like why we really need to be fit, why we really need to be happy, and what is that we really want to do in our lives. So if these questions are answered, restors are taken care. So that's what I feel, Rashmi. So
Yeah.
when we joined the program, that was the first question you asked, like why you really want to be fit, healthy, right?
Yeah, I remember, see, I remember reading each one of your answers then, and I said, is it only this deep? Yeah. So then, I made you people re-answer again after, I'm sure, 2 months or something. Then,
Yes,
then,
yes.
you got a deeper sense of why. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
getting answers for your why is very important, so you get your how later, without even you taking a thought. Yeah, because
yeah,
once you decide to do it, like as you said, yes, it's not always everything is working for our favor, but I still want to do it because I know why I want to do it. Yeah.
yeah.
So that is where you have been bouncing back to the program and doing whatever in see. But again, the conscious shift that has happened because of your journey with us for 3.5 months has been constantly reminding you that yeah, you are here for a reason. So how that has actually impacted your life, Malini?
See, that's what, right? When you are giving up or you're choosing other priorities, maybe that's the need of the hour. But once you have taken care of your priorities, you really know very well, like, what is the next thing you need to do it, right? So that's, and you have a platform there. People are waiting with all the love, guidance, and motivation. So you are left with no choice, right? You are like, oh, you want to, you see a ice cream in front of your eyes, and do you miss it? No, right? You just go and grab and enjoy it. That's the way it is. So there is no question of you don't bounce back because you choose to do it. You want to be fit, so you will take all the things necessary actions to do it.
Yes, you put it across so simply with an ice cream. So I'm sure, we will never let the ice cream melt away from our
Yeah.
side. Yes, yes, beautiful. Yes. So having done this, see, how was that a transformation really for you? Like, people might think, okay, it is a holistic transformation journey. It is more about, me looking good. Yeah. So, in your experience, what is it according to you? Because, see, in our program, each one of you are at a different level, and each one ends up getting a different result itself. So
Yeah.
what is your experience with this transformation, and how was that really helped you, or if at all?
Okay, let me tell you, with previous two sessions, I understood what I don't know, what I didn't know of my part. So, see, we are ignorant, not because we want to be ignorant, because of lack of understanding or accepting or lack of looking in that perspective. So, this program helped me to know the things which I was not knowing, that there is existence of that thing, we need to act there, or this area we need to take care, we need to think of that area. We completely ignore, we always work on things which are on top of us at that moment, but it is very important for us to work on things which are really important for our life. May not be urgent, but they are really important, they really add value to our life and people around our life, but we don't get time to do it. But this program helped me to think from that angle also, and start taking actions. Like, you, now you know that you don't know that part and you need to work on it. So you cannot bluff yourself, right? You will definitely work on it. That's how this program has transformed me, by knowing few things which I didn't know, and also to know things which I have to work, know deeper on that. So I can say that's how it is transforming me. That's how I told, like, every session is very exciting, because it's not just eating, walking, sleeping, right? It's something else. It is a deep work.
So how challenging was this deep work for you, Malini?
To be frank, it is challenging, because we never got to think in that angle, and we never saw, or we never faced that reality, I can say, right? We never face that reality, or we never listen to our inner voices, or we never interpreted our life that way. So this is like a new challenge thrown to us, challenge in the sense, new question asked to us. So we really need to find answers. So the journey is really exciting, and I really need to know what is that I don't know still further.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful, Malini. Yes. See, when we come across, so many things which we are clueless. Yes, as beautifully said, it is not that I don't want to know, but I don't know. That's all. See, it is, I was not aware of it. Yes. So maybe, each one of us have experienced life differently. So we are ignorant about many areas. And nobody is around asking you to focus on the mindset in the first place. Many people don't even believe that your mind has a power. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and many people don't even understand mind exists. So they are, one step, I wouldn't say back, or I wouldn't say front, because they don't even have that belief that there is something called mind, and we need to work on the mind, and we can unleash the power of mind. So that is where we are working in this holistic transformation journey. So what were the surprises for you in this program? In terms of the mindset, yes, see, we all know this, eating, drinking and all. Yes, that is a limited belief of people. But yes, what was the belief that you came in, and what has really unfolded to you, and what is surprising for you in the 3.5 months?
3.5 months, like a lot of beliefs for me, like made, broken, all these things happened. Like I told, like I always thought it's impossible for me to be health conscious, like eat really healthy and really lose weight, so many kgs in a little span of time, or I can be consistently working, walking, or doing my exercise. But I never thought I can do it. But this program showed me that I can really do it. And coming to the other part which was there and broken, like I thought I am like really sorted and like very focused and I don't drift away. But when the real life challenges were thrown, when I was drifting or I was feeling low, but this program showed me like how to handle that, also how to accept my part of that. Like the failure is fine, important thing is how do you come back and take it and get going. It's okay, it happens, it's a life, right? So that thing has come. And second thing is, I didn't know there were self-healing part which I completely ignored, which I got to know through this program. Like I really need some help, self-healing part for it, or I really need to work on myself deep. That's the deep work.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. See, because we are so ignorant until unless see, I keep saying, you cannot show moon to a person who doesn't even believe that there's a moon existing, or who is not even willing to accept that there's a moon. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that is where you people are coming with that openness to accept new things and implement those things. So that is where I am able to play the role of coach. Otherwise, it's like, see, how much ever I know, I will be helpless to a person who is not willing to seek help. Yeah. So, which
the
I,
beauty is, Rashmi, you give us the right inputs, right information at the right time when we are ready. So for us to look at, initially it is like very simple, whatever you're asking, but there is a deep down so much work you would have done, so much that whatever you have asked us to do will have so much impact on us to understand the value of it. So that the way you're putting across through the course is amazing. That is like really beautiful.
yeah, I understand. See, every task I, ask you people to do, even though it looks so simple and, so easy, or, nothing much added according to, superficial view, but I would be, seeing a deeper meaning of every action and the results that you're coming up with. Yes, yes, it is my learning that I have to wait for the right time for the person to receive till I give it to them, because otherwise it just becomes knowing and nothing doing. So where both of us are losing on time. Yeah.
Yeah,
So this program itself is a transformation for each one of you, so that you really transform, not just okay, I know this, so I'm going to do some other day, or when the time is right. So but here it is like you are given the time to practice what you're learning is, so that you come up again to me with questions like what were your challenges and how can I help you and handle you in that. Without you practicing, there is no way you understand the challenges that are that pop up when you start
yeah,
doing things. Yeah. So for that, a simple example is yes, we all know we have to walk, but how many of them have really tried walking every day? You know, waking up 4 a.m., yes, once or twice in a week is good, easy for anybody. But how many of them have really tried to wake up every day at 4 a.m. and then see how many challenges really come up?
yeah, very true.
So, how did that coaching really help you in, practicing and coming back with the challenges?
Main thing is, Rashmi, we know that you are always approachable and ready to help us. So that gives us a cushion, right? When you are ready to help us, when you are giving us so much information, and we have decided to enroll to this program and learn. Once we have learned, we feel like doing it, and definitely we are doing it. And when we are doing, we know that, because when during the session you don't give us all the input, you just tell us what needs to be done, so that we come back, we try, we come back with the question. So we also know that fact, like there is some part of the work which we need to do to really get the benefit and complete overall understanding. So we, and after that you will be helping we get the clear picture when we are coming up with the questions, and the reply and the suggestion and the tips will make us understand, okay, this is the reason why Rashmi told us to do this, and this needs to be done this way.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So yes, so now having said that, okay, now you know that there's a help available. You know there's something, constantly handholding is there, and you have a beautiful environment created for you to come up, come there and seek help, or support each other and help each other in each other's success. Yeah. So spending this 3.5 months together, what is the message that you want to convey to others if somebody wants to choose this program for themselves?
Yeah, if I would suggest, if anybody wants to make their life better, holistically, healthy, happy, then this is the right program, because it's not that you will be pushed with a lot of data. You will be given the data or the information when, at the right time, at the right quantity, at the right intention. At the same time, there is that support also there, ecosystem is there, so you get going. We can see a lot of participants are already shared their experience, right? And there is a significant transformation each and everybody, and I can see the transformation even in Rashmi. So with this journey, right, so definitely it is there. And we really, if anybody wishes to transform their life holistically, means mentally, physically, emotionally, then this is the right program to join. And we have everything, every part of our life is covered, like whatever in 21 days or in the 3.5 months, I can really see that what are the nuggets, golden nuggets. I don't know anything bigger than gold to tell these nuggets. Like these are like simple things, but has so much impacts. If we incorporate these things in our life is going to be so beautiful, healthy, and happy. That is for sure.
Wonderful, wonderful, Malini. Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom with our viewers. I'm sure you are inspiring many more people to choose living beyond their excuses of "Oh, no, I have to run my family," or see, yeah, what is your wisdom for those people who say, I have no time, or my family is priority, or my kids are my priority, or my work is my priority. So what's your I like let them hear it from you. What is your advice
See,
for
we
them?
all know that priorities, the most important thing is I am my priority. We need to put that first. Rest all we can sort it out. If we put that first as I am my priority, then we will choose this. We will choose a healthy, happy life. So everything else will fall in place. So just fill that priority first, then rest all can be sorted.
Wonderful, wonderful, Malini. So you keep see, I hear from you healthy and happy, healthy and happy. So how that really came into this concept? Yes, I keep telling this, but how did you really experience that in your life?
Okay. Ultimately, what I feel is I need to be happy. How I will be happy if I am healthy only, I can be happy. So that's why I keep telling healthy and happy. So that is how I got connected to you, because I can see those words coming from you also. That's where I thought I need to try, because I also see you are healthy and happy all the time. So
Wonderful, wonderful. I'm so happy that replication of my wisdom and my life experience is happening. Yes, yes, I'm not saying completely, but yet slowly and gradually it is happening in you. And when I hear such wisdom, like my own what do you say, experiences in my participants, that's when I feel I am grateful that life has given me so much wonderful opportunity to help people and transform their life. So that makes me feel so grateful for everything around me and each one of you, for, yeah, as you said, yes, transformation is happening within me also, because I feel transformation is for lifetime. It's not that, okay, I have reached certain level and I'm done. So because I look at myself as a student for life, till my last breath. That is a commitment that I have made for myself. So I am like, every participant and every person that I interact with is like, lifetime new book for me. So I am a person who reads loads and loads of books. But now I see that, I get to see so many books around me every day, every moment of my life. So that is where my life is also transforming. Yes. So I'm grateful that, you are part of this program, and each one of you are, beautifully teaching me so many lessons. And yes, so that is where my wisdom comes. And thank you so much, Malini, for taking time out from this busy schedule of yours, and sparing this much amount of time from your life for all of us and for our viewers. I'm sure your wisdom is going to, brighten their life, and brighten their choices, because that's where, it begins. It all begins from there. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful, life ahead. Yes, we are just halfway through, so we still have a lot more to see, and we will catch you back. See you all. Thank you, Malini.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Rashmi. Thank you
Thank
so much. And I would like to tell, like, Rashmi is not doing, she really wants to help women. 3.5 months, I could really feel it. And really, every minute we spend in the program, every effort, every energy we put, we're going to get multifolds in that. And I would really request everyone who are very serious and you are looking for someone who is helping you, who is ready to handhold you and guide properly with patience, with wisdom, with the right support, then definitely please reach out to Rashmi. And she is really a beautiful, wonderful soul. Thank you so much, Rashmi.
Oh,
And I'm
thank you.
so,
Thank
so,
you,
so
Mal.
happy connecting to you. And God bless you. Wish
Thank you.
all your dreams come true.
Thank you, Malini. Thanks for such a wonderful recommendation, because it is not something that I am asking her to tell or anything.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's, yes. So yes, I am here to help all the time. Just that, you should be willing to do that commitment when you are reaching out to me. And I keep telling people, only those people who are willing to take action will come in touch with me. See, that is the kind of energy that I'm attracting because of my deeper work with myself, and with all the practices that I go around. So if somebody is coming and connecting with me, then they know they are getting what they are getting. But yes, coming and finding me also comes with a lot of work. So I'm sure those who have connected will value that now. Yeah. So thank you, Malini, so much. Thank you for your wisdom, and thank you for sharing with all us. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for listening to us. Good
Thank you,
day.
everyone.